Welcome to the Bologna two-way base assembly instructions. When you open the carton, you will find 4 leg pieces and the frame. You will need 2 top connectors and 2 bottom connectors, 4 double-sided screws, a 5mm wrench, a socket wrench, and thread lock. Firstly, remove the hardware and apply thread lock to the connectors and both sides of the double-sided screws. Place all 4 double-sided screws into the ends of the frame and tighten with the wrench. Please note, the double-sided screws have opposite way threads on each end, so if one side doesn't work, the other will. Identify the correct way up of the frame with the triangle facing downwards and screw on the connectors. Next, stand the frame up, grab 2 of the leg pieces and carefully slot the tabs into the domes. Place a washer, split washer and nut on the end of both connectors. Flip the base around and do the same to the other side by placing the leg tabs into the domes. Again, place a washer, split washer and nut on the end of the connectors. And lastly, flip the base over and use the socket wrench to tighten all of the screws. The Bologna two-way table is made from cast aluminium, powder-coated in a semi-gloss black finish. It has adjustable foot glides and accompanies the single pedestal table and dry bar bases perfectly. The unique European design is great for boutique cafe and restaurant applications.